apologize if it's windy. Real quick, if you crawl under your engine on your Wildcat, the drain plug for the oil is right there, and the filter is right there. So all you gotta do is pull that, let her drain, take that filter off right there, let it drain, put the new filter on, plug back in, and then the fill hole is right here on the side. 2.5 quarts, and you are done. It's easy as that. The weather really took a turn here, but I slammed my funnel down through here. Internet says 2.8 quarts, and so each one of these 0.40s, 1 quart, so I almost got to put 3 in. Everyone says make sure not to overfill it, so don't just round it up and put 3, but I'm gonna do my best to put 2.8 in it, and that should be it. Then I gotta put this tray back on. I don't know if taking the tray off is necessary. Actually, it kind of looks like it. Doesn't look like there's a hole in it, so you probably do have to take the tray off. But that's it. 2.8 quarts, fill her up. It's a Wildcat 1000, if I haven't mentioned that. It's a 4-seater. I don't think it matters. I think they're the same 2012 through 2019. So that'll be it.